Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Ferrari of New England, we have, I can't believe I'm saying this, the 2002 Ferrari 575M. Oh my God, like this is just blowing my mind. Check out the spec on this example. Fitted with the competition seats, carbon back, red on tan. Oh. Fire extinguisher. Automatic windows. Oh, what a thing. What a thing. All right. This is how you put it in reverse. Lift up, that goes into reverse. I have the parking brake on. That's down. What a thing. All right. Now, the gigantic V12 up front is mated to a single clutch paddle shift transmission. So, unless you are full throttle, you lift between shifts. It smooths out the transition. So, for example, lift. You gotta drive it like a manual. The steering wheel is absolutely fantastic. I mean, my hands wrap perfectly around it. And then the horn. It's so classic Ferrari. Everything in here is leather lined. Oh my gosh, even this is all squishy. This, oh no, that's plastic, but this is all leather. This is insane. This is the oldest Ferrari I've ever driven, and by God, is it one of my favorites. It's just so spiritual. The feeling I get while I drive, it's unlike anything else. Now keep in mind, this is the first time driving one of these. Only other Ferraris that, well, I've driven a ton of Ferraris now I think about it. Roma, California, F12, 488 Pista, 488, 458. Oh, what a thing. Just what a car. Now this one has integrated into the rearview mirror your radar detector. What a thing of beauty. Ferrari air conditioning. I gotta breathe, because it's not registering in my mind that I'm driving a car like this. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.